Hi everyone, I'm Mahesh. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to create a YouTube channel with your mobile phone, right? If you have mobile phone, you can able to create a YouTube channels. And if you want to create a YouTube channel, you can go direct to the YouTube. Otherwise, you can go to google.com or Chrome, right? And type there, go to google.com, type that page to the bar, then www.youtube.com. Soon after typing that name on the Google, then press on. Uh, then soon after typing that YouTube in Google Chrome, this screen will be shown like that. Then go to this option like that and type here, pick up that dashboard type site, right? Then as it shows on computer or laptop, it will be displayed like that. Then just wait for a few minutes. My internet connection is very low, therefore this page is still is buffering to be shown on the screen. Then go to this option. Then go to this option. Then you see here that this is red button. Press there. Can you see that your channel, right? Otherwise you can do one another way also. Just wait.
Good grammar and spelling are important, but if
you can do in both ways. Just wait for minutes. Present to your channel. Then soon after that, choose your then upload video if you have anything like that. Otherwise, go to the custom channel site. Right, that's how. See, you see that already this name is visible. We have already done that. Then customize your channel like this and download that YouTube Studio app. If you have, go to the Google Play Store and download. Wait for seconds. Wait for a few minutes. It's going to be installed. YouTube app. So open it and then click on get started. Now already your channel has been made. Then you need to do one thing here is only nothing else, because you have not added anything, therefore nothing is visible in this dashboard. Even in videos option, playlist or comments and analytics, you don't see because there is no video. Thus far you have not uploaded anything, right? So if you wanted to upload the video, then go to the YouTube store. Both ways you can able to upload. Whether if you wanted to upload your video with Chrome, you can do. Otherwise you can go directly to YouTube also, right? Press on like that. You see this home, explore, subscription and library. Do you see this option, right? Plus button option. Press on there. Then click on upload video option. Then pick up video that you wanted to upload. For example, I am going to upload this one. Then soon after picking up that video, click on to next. Write that video title.
బెస్ట్ వ్యూస్ అలా పెట్టే అదే ఉంది.
Then write description about what video is all about, right? Try to write best description and choose your location where you wanted to video to be visible. It will be visible in every area, but if you want to, for example, I'm selecting, my target is in India, right? And if you want to add playlist, you can add also. Then soon after typing that title and description, everything, I'm not going to type a description, but you have to think about video, this what is all about, then you have to write and everything. Then you have to soon after typing our titles and descriptions and everything, then you have to click on to next button, whether this video is made for kids or not. Why we need to choose this option? Because you know that there are some videos that which can horror, which goes against YouTube policy, right? Then therefore we need to take this, whether this video is made for kids or not. If it is this video is not for kids, then you pick up this not is no, it's not made for a kid option, right? Then whether this video is, whether you wanted to show only to elders or below 18, this is depends on you. If you wanted to show to the even to the youngers and elders also, then I don't want to restrict my video to viewers, you select that option. And soon after selecting these two ways, then kindly present to the upload video, then your video is going to be uploaded and it will be shown to the audience, right? That's how guys you can able to create a YouTube channel within a few seconds. If you have any questions regarding you how to create a YouTube channel, you can comment to in this video so that I can read each video's option, which videos replace, then I will able to respond you also directly, right? Now see, you see that already the video has been uploaded. That's how you can able to do. And if you want to earn money through YouTube, you have to monetize your YouTube, right? How do you get money with YouTube? You can just to qualify for YPP, YouTube Partner Program, you need to have 1,000 subscribers first of all, and within a 12 months you need to have 4,000 views. Then only you will be qualified or you will be eligible to apply for YouTube Partner Program, right? YPP. Then soon after you qualify for YouTube Partner Program, you can able to earn money through your videos direct into your account, right? Then for example, whether whom you know or whom videos you are already listening, are they earning or not? If you want to see, you can see that, right? Just I'm going to show you the social proof also, right? Type that to google.com social blad. You want to see whether the YouTubers are earning money or not, whether the YouTube gives money or not. If you wanted to know the fact, right, go to the socialblad.com official.com, then type there, for example, whom you know that YouTuber, right? Then type his name. For example, I want to see the John Wesley earnings per a month, how much he's earning, right? Soon after typing his name, click on. Then once you clicking on his name, then this page will be displayed like this, and pick up his channel, select a channel, then to see that how much he's earning, right? See guys, he's earning how much? $2,500 he's earning. That means is equal to India rupees is a just wait, okay? I want to show you whether how much 2,000, right? $2,500 he's earning per a month. Then he divide it, right? So that single dollar is equal to 75 Indian rupees. Then he's going to earn how much? 18,07,500 rupees per a month he's earning, John Wesley, right? That's how guys you can able to earn money with YouTube, right? If you want, even if you are doing a job, but if you are not satisfied, you can work in YouTube as a full-time worker, as a part-time worker. It depends on your commitment and your hard work in YouTube, right? First of all, you need to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 views within a year, 12 months. Then your channel will be eligible. Then you will be qualified for to apply YouTube Partner Premium Program. That's all guys. If you like this video and if you have anything regarding how to create a YouTube channel, then please do comment below this video so that I will read each comments and I will respond to you. And if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to videos so that you will able to receive new notification into your direct button. Thank you for everyone.